Hi, how are you today? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? I am going to the market. Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea very much. Where do you live? I live in a small house. Are you busy today? Yes, I am a little busy. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you work today? Yes, I go to work today. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is rice. Are you hungry? Yes, I am very hungry. Where are you going? I am going home. Do you have a phone? Yes, I have a mobile phone. Is it raining today? No, it is not raining. Do you study English? Yes, I study English daily. How is your family? My family is very good. Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school.
Do you like Zach?
Do you like music? Yes, I love music. See you tomorrow? Why can't say tomorrow? Like and subscribe.